What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol HUDI for Huadi International. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, you can see that this will be an update. We've talked about it in the past. We have some rough daily levels mapped out already. What I will point out is that the candle in question is certainly kind of crazy, right? A big downdraft early on in the session, then most of it retraced all the way into the afternoon. Let's take a closer look at the 30-minute intraday time frame here. Again, sort of collapsing on the open. People really seem to want to jump into this, though, and buy it up here. Notice the volume difference, right? On the first 30-minute bars, the stock was collapsing. I mean, volume was basically non-existent. On the rebound bars, that's where volume really picked up. So to me, it would seem maybe not obvious, but that some people were waiting here, either at the 200 SMA or underneath some of this prior support that we've identified at 12, just waiting to sort of accumulate some shares, noting that this trend from in the past was actually fairly impressive, right? It was pretty healthy in the past there. So this big, nuanced move today was fairly interesting. And again, I would just point out the difference in volume here. It looks a lot like accumulation instead of massive selling from all of this up here. So what else can we read into? Well, how is the afternoon move? We'll take out the Fibonacci's from the low of the day all the way on up to the high of the run. And what you'll notice is that the consolidation was, pretty ideal, I would say, at the 38.2. So to me, as long as we hold up above roughly 19, things are looking A-okay inside of HUDI. So we'll throw that on here. We're going to go ahead and clean up the fibs, make it a little easier to look at. Oops, we want to remove just that. There we go. And now in terms of scenarios, here's what I would watch for. Any consolidation that happens here is a bull flag, looking for breakouts to take us closer to 28. We know that's kind of the gap close as well as the support area, also prior resistance from in here. That would be the main upside target that I would watch out for. Anything above that, sure, you have this on the table here, closer to 33, I would imagine. Let's put that level on officially. 32.89, I was off by about 11 cents, but you get the gist. That's the upside play. If we start taking out 19, I would probably step away from this. There is an opportunity for it to come lower and retrace towards the day's lows around 12. And if we quickly come on over to the trade tab, you'll notice that there are no shares to short and there's no options chain here either. So again, you're just avoiding longs in that instance. That's really going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.